Today we're going to learn about word families. Hey guys, I'm Tiger. Let's talk about ID, id and IN families. Let's start with words that end with ID, id family. DID, did. HID, hid. KID, kid. LID, lid. RID, rid. Now let's start with INN family. BIN, bin. FIN, fin. PIN, pin. SKIN, skin. WIN, win. Now you all try to read the words and speak it loudly. Can you think of any words? And with letter I, B, id. Now you all try to read the words and speak it loudly. Can you think of any words that ends with letters INN? I hope you like my it and in word family video, guys. Do like and subscribe. Tiger and Major. Whoosh! Grow with Tiger and Major.